Hello students, welcome to St. Angel's online classes. Students, you are working from home. So today we will start the permutation. Okay, the exercise 7.3. Now we will drive or we will see what is permutation formally. Initially I have told you that permutation means arrangement of elements. Okay, so what is the formula? What is the representation of permutation? We are going to see. Okay, so suppose we have n objects. We have n objects and at a time I have to arrange r objects. Out of n objects, I have to arrange r objects. Then its permutation would be represented as NPR. How would we read it? That arrangement of r objects from n objects at a time, and its formula is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. This is a formula of permutation. This word P represent permutation. Permutation r object at a time out of n object is equals to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and here this r cannot be less than 0. It could be equal to or greater than 0 and cannot be greater than n. So r will lies always 0 to n. Okay. So now I'll just give an example. We have a word, suppose smooth. Okay, let take it Smith. Okay, how many different arrangements are there if I take 3 words at a time? So beta, how many words are there total? 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 objects. I am saying take any 3 words together and how many different name could be made. How many elements I am taking together at a time? 3. So beta, how many three letter word could be made from the word Smith? So that would be equals to NPR. It means what? 5P3. Now open the formula. 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 factorial. So this is 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2. So that would be 5 for 23 is 60. So there are 60 words which can be made taken 3 letters at a time from the letter of Smith. Okay, so this is better from permutation mean. Okay, I hope it's clear. Please pause the video and note it down. Now there are certain cases to the permutation. The first case, which we have already studied, permutation of r object or r object at a time out of n objects when repetition is not allowed, that would be equals to NPR. The example we have just studied. Okay, when I have to arrange r element out of the n elements without repetition, then the total permutation, total arrangement would be equals to NPR. Now case writing, that is permutation of r objects at a time out of n objects when repetition is allowed. That time the total permutation would be, total arrangement would be n raised to r. Example, suppose there is a word ample. Okay, there is a word ample. Now I have to take 4 words at a time. I have to take 4 letters at a time. 4 letters at a time. And how many different arrangements could be made? So beta, here n equals to 1 2 3 4 5 and r equals to, that is 4. So the total arrangement would be, permutation, that would be equals to n raised to r. It means what? 5 raised to 4. So that would be 125 into 125. The required result would be our answer. And we can testify that I have to make 4 letters word. 1, 2, 3, 4. And repetition is allowed. So for each places I can take any letter from these 5 letters. So this could be filled in 5 different ways. This could be filled in 5 different ways. This could be filled in 5 different ways. And this could be filled in 5 different ways. So total ways are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is equals to n raised to power r. I hope it's clear. So when repetition is allowed, then the total permutation equals to n raised to r. Okay students, now we will look at the case number 3. Please pause the video and note it down, especially this example. Okay. Now, case 3. When permutation of r objects at a time out of n objects where, or we could say permutation of n objects, say it like n objects, permutation of n objects where p1 elements are of similar type, p1 elements are of similar type, p2 elements are of similar type, and etc. That would be equals to n factorial upon p1 factorial into p2 factorial. Now, I hope you didn't get it. So for that we have to take an example. Suppose I have written a word, and that word is Arabic. Okay, and take another letter, committee. Okay, so I have to see what are the different arrangements of this word Arabic could be there. Okay, so how many numbers are there, letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there would be 6 factorial. Okay, there would be 6 factorial arrangements. But here there are 2 A's, 1A and 2A. And what I have written? Where P1 elements are of similar type. Here A elements are similar. It means what? I have 2 A elements. Then what I have to do? I have to divide by the P1 factorial. So I have to divide by the A and A by the 2 factorial over here. Now in the committee there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. So total arrangement would be 9 factorial upon. Beta, what are the letters which are repeating? So here there are 2M, 2 factorial. Here are 2T, 2 factorial. Here are 3E, 3 factorial. Okay, so whatever letter is repeating again, how many times it is repeating, by that time we have to divide the total arrangement. Okay, now the question is, sir, why are we dividing the number by the repetition of the letter? That I will tell you. Okay, now I'm just roughing it down. Suppose let's talk about this word Arabic. Now I am making different words, okay, by just shuffling the position. Suppose I have written a word Arabic. Okay, suppose this is a word. Or I have written a word RBAAIC, and again I have written RICBAA. I've just given any 3 random examples. Okay, beta, if I will say that I will put this A before and this A after, AABIC. I will put this A here and this A here, AAIC, and this, so RICBAA. Are these 2 words different? Are these 2 words different? Are these 2 different? I cannot see they are different. They are exact same. They are exact same. When 2 letters are same, So their arrangement doesn't matter. I write AA or this A over here, this here. Can anyone tell what's the difference? No one can tell because there is no difference as such. It's the same thing. So there is no arrangement of same letters, and the total letters are in this word are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So arrangement would be 6 factorial. But in this 6 factorial, I have counted the arrangement of AA as well. I have counted the arrangement of these two A as over here, which is wrong because there is no arrangement. AA is only 1. I cannot arrange this in a different way. So I have to divide by the arrangement which we falsely taking. So I have taken A 2 times. So 2 factorial included in this. So I have to divide by 2 factorial. In this example, if I write a word like committee, again change the places, this M over here, this M over this. Okay. Like for instance, if they would be different, suppose this M over here, this M over here. So can anyone tell there is any difference? There is no difference. So basically I am counting the arrangement of double M over here. So I have to divide by 2 factorial. I am counting the arrangement of double T over here. So I have to divide by 2 factorial over here. I am counting the arrangement of, sorry, it's 2 factorial. I am counting the arrangement of double E. So I have to divide by the 2 factorial. Okay. So that this is how. That's the reason why we divide by the factorial. I hope it's clear. Okay, now please pause the video and note it down. Now there is another case. Suppose I have a word mythology. Okay. And I have to arrange, I have to find the total number of permutation. Okay, by taking all the letters of this, word. But in each word, TH should come together. What I've said, that but in each word TH should come together. So how many arrangements are there? I have to take candle to the sky, light the. Now we are TH should come together. So in such ways we will consider TH as a single unit, then write other letters that are M, Y, O, L, O, G, Y. Okay, so I would not count like 1, 2, 3, 4. I will count TH as a single unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are total 8 letters. There are not 9 letters, there are 8 letters because TH should come together. TH should come together. So I will count TH as a single unit. So beta the total arrangement would be 8 factorial upon. Now what are repeating? There are 2 O. So I have divided by 2 factorial. Okay. Now this is the answer. But this 2 TH is coming together, no doubt. But it could replace each other. It could be HT. It could be TH. So they can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. In 2 different ways. Okay. So now total answer would be 8 factorial. So this is just an example. In the exercise 11 7.3 we have a lot of questions like that. Okay, so I hope through doing the questions we will get to know much better. Okay, so now please pause the video and note it down.